disclosures. Today, rip current risk, low. Surf height, around 2 feet. Ultraviolet index, very high. Water temperature, in the upper 60s.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties. Charleston, South Carolina. Effective until 10:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service's Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm moving 100 miles per hour. Take anything outside inside so it does not get damaged. Tune into local media outlets to stay updated to this situation.